Will doing less on LinkedIn actually land you more job offers? I believe the answer is yes, because the people who keep getting interviews in 2025 aren't applying to hundreds of postings. They're either being found or referred. In this video, I'll show you the new way to use LinkedIn so recruiters and hiring managers notice you even before you apply, and how this same strategy makes your outreach messages impossible to ignore and helps you tap into the hidden job market. Let's unlock your LinkedIn. If you have been sending job application after application and hearing nothing back, it's not because you're unqualified, it's because you're invisible. LinkedIn isn't just a social network, it's also a search engine that recruiters use every single day to find candidates for open roles. The problem is, most people treat it like a resume archive. So in this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps that completely change how LinkedIn works for you. And by the end, you'll have a profile that helps you get either found or referred, so you can access the kind of opportunity most applicants never even see. Step 1 is all about being found. Recruiters literally type your target job title into LinkedIn search bar. Of course, the recruitment version of the LinkedIn, like financial analyst, project manager, marketing associate. If your profile doesn't echo those exact keywords, you never show up. So choose the role you're aiming for and repeat the keyword consistently in 4 places: your headline, about section, job titles, and work experiences. And don't say business ninja in one place and operation specialist in another. LinkedIn's algorithm needs clarity, not creativity. Aligning your keywords tells LinkedIn this profile belongs on page 1. Because remember, you can't be hired if you can't be found. But once a recruiter finally clicks your profile, what makes them to stay? Visibility gets attention. Conversion gets opportunities. Once recruiters arrive on your profile, your goal is to make them think, this person is exactly what we're looking for. 3 quick upgrades here. Show measurable impact. Replace vague duties with outcomes. Don't write responsible for monthly reports, right? Streamline monthly reporting, reduce turnaround time by 30%. Even approximation works better than silence. It shows business impact right away. Second, display your portfolio or proof of work. If you're in marketing, link campaigns. If you're in finance, show dashboards or case studies. Think of it as visual credibility. Prove you can do what you claim. And third, add recommendation. These act as a social proof. Recruiters trust peer validation far more than self-promotion. Ask your managers, former colleagues for a short testimonial and offer to write one back. Do these 3 and your profile start working like a landing page that converts visits into interest. By this point, you have made your profile visible and convincing. Recruiters now can find you, and sometimes they'll even reach out with interview invite. And that's a great sign. But here's the truth. Inbound opportunities are reactive. You can't control when or if a recruiter will message you. And more importantly, you can't rely on it. Data backs this up. According to research from Ashby, for a non-executive external candidate, inbound applicants, the one who apply through job portals or LinkedIn posting, have the lowest chance of reaching an interview. Just 3%. Don't even think about it. Meanwhile, source candidates by recruiter convert at only around 25%, while referrals convert at around 40%. The pathway with the highest likelihood for a non-executive external candidate. So, if you're relying only on inbound application, you're statistically playing the hardest version of the game. Think of the recruitment process like a marathon. Everyone starts running, but not everyone starts from the same line. Internal candidates are already in the stadium. The referral candidates are waved through a side gate because someone trusts them, but the inbound applicants, they're still outside trying to figure out the entrance. That's why inbound and source pathway aren't enough. You can't actively increase your chance of landing your dream job just by waiting to be found. And if you want to know how top candidates consistently get referrals, that's what we'll cover next. Step 3 is where everything connects. It's where you move from being found to being in control. This is the mode where you exponentially accelerate your career by landing your dream job predictably. And it's not about sending out more applications or endlessly tweaking your resume. It's about consistently accessing the part of job market that is hidden from the most applicants. The side where 70 to 80% of jobs are actually filled. But this only can be done by securing advocates within your target employers that are willing to give you a referral. But what I'm talking here does not require to be part of an elite network. This can be done from scratch if you are strategic. And to make it even easier for you, I've developed a system to predictably tap into this, to help those who want to accelerate their career by enabling them to build genuine relationship inside their target employers and turn those connections into real opportunities and referrals. Think of this job search acceleration framework of mine as moving through 3 gears. First, you get clarity on where you're heading. Then you learn how to open doors that others can't see. And third and finally, you strengthen the signal of your value so employers can't ignore you. And that's how JSA works. It replaces random application with a repeatable system that compounds over time. You're not just searching for jobs anymore, you're building a career network that keeps generating opportunity long after you land the first one. I cannot unpack all about the JSA here. It's going to take hours, and that's a deeper dive. But if you want to implement this for yourself in your job search step by step, sign up for my free masterclass using the link below. So in this video, you have learned how to align, optimize, and activate your LinkedIn profile so you can move beyond blind application and be found by recruiters, and ultimately how to tap into the hidden job market and accelerate your job search for the right opportunity. If you want to hear more how to tap into the hidden job market using my job search acceleration framework, click right here to dive right in.